Hello everyone. Greetings to all. I am Dr.M.Vigneswari, Assistant Professor of Physics, PG and Research Department of Physics, the Standard Fair Oaks Rajaratnam College for Women, Sivagasi. In this video, I am going to discuss a lecture about renewable energy resources. First of all, why we learn about renewable energy resources? There are tremendous reasons for learning renewable energy resources. The most very important thing is, first of all, while we are using renewable energy resources means it's obviously reduced to emission of greenhouse gases. Next, it promotes so many job opportunities. And next important reason is it creates very good quality of air. And finally, it is used to attain our sustainable development. So these are the reason we are learning about renewable energy resources. So we should know about renewable energy resources for this reason. So first of all, what is renewable energy resources? So first of all, what is renewable energy resources? Actually, renewable energy derived from naturally replenishing resources such as sunlight, wind, rainfall, ozone tides, waves and geothermal heat. Renewable energy accounts for approximately 16% of the world's total energy supply. Traditional biomass contributes around 10% of global energy consumption. Hydroelectric power makes up about 3.4%. Emerging renewable technologies represent roughly 3%. So, in this way, we must study about renewable energy resources. So, the next one is the energy demand projection in India. You can see this graph and table. So, the energy used in India has steadily increased over these years, showing a clear upward trend. This table illustrates the projected increase in energy requirements across three key periods from 2019 to 2022, highlighting a significant upward trajectory in India's energy consumption. Next, so what are the areas transformed by renewable energy resources? The most thing is power production for electricity. We need power for our daily life. So renewable energy resources like solar, wind, hydro, geothermal and biomass are increasingly used for electricity production. These sources offer a cleaner alternative to fossil fuels and are crucial for reducing carbon emissions and mitigating climate change. So there is so many breakdown of common renewable energy resources for electricity. One is the most important thing is solar power. So here we have been used photovoltaic panels. It is used to convert sunlight directly into electricity. The second most important resource is wind power. So turbines harness the kinetic energy of the wind to generate electricity. The third thing is hydropower. The force of moving water, often at dams, it is used to turn turbines and create electricity. And the next one is geothermal energy. Heat from the earth's interior is used to produce steam, which drives turbines for electricity generation. The last one is biomass. Organic matter like wood, crops or waste can be burned to produce heat, which can then be used to generate electricity. These renewable sources play a significant role in the global energy transition, with the investments in renewable energy reaching almost $500 billion in 2022. In 2023, renewables accounted for 30% of global electricity generation. In India, renewable energy capacity reached 201.45 gigawatt, representing 46.3% of country's total installed capacity according to the Press Information Bureau. So the next one is heating for water and indoor spaces. So that is very important because renewable energy sources offer sustainable solutions for heating water and indoor spaces. Solar water heaters, that is use the sun's energy to heat water, while solar thermal systems can be used for both water heating and space heating. Heat pumps, both air source and ground source, transfer heat from the environment or the earth to provide heating. Additionally, biomass system, which burn organic matter like wood or wood pellets, offer another renewable heating option. In Sivagasi, it's a very hot place. In Tamil Nadu, the most readily available renewable energy source for heating would likely be solar energy. The region experiences high level of solar radiation, making it ideal for solar water heating and potentially solar thermal space heating. The next important thing is fuels for transportation, because each and every individual we need transportation for our routine life. Without transportation we can't move anywhere. So the fuels for transportation is very important. Renewable energy sources offer a variety of fuels for transportation, including biofuels, hydrogen and electricity. Biofuels like ethanol and biodiesel can be used in existing vehicles, while hydrogen and electricity require alternative vehicle technologies like fuel cell vehicles and battery electric vehicles respectively. Fuel cell vehicles. What do you mean by fuel cell vehicles? Hydrogen can be used in fuel cell electric vehicles to generate electricity, offering a potentially zero emission transportation option. So the renewable electricity due to fuels. The environmental benefits of electric vehicles are maximized when the electricity powering them comes from renewable sources. The third important thing is energy solutions tailored for rural communities. So renewable energy solutions like solar, wind, hydro and biomass offer tailored options for rural communities, enhancing energy access, promoting sustainability and fostering economic growth. These solutions can be implemented through individual systems, mini grids, or by integrating them into large smart grids for improved efficiency and reliability. Benefits of renewable energy resources in rural areas. The first thing is increase the energy access. So it provides reliable and affordable electricity for household, businesses and public facilities. It can be used to improve our quality of life. It enables access to lighting, refrigeration and other essential services, improving healthcare, education and economic opportunities. And third one is economic development. It creates job opportunities in manufacturing, installation and maintenance of renewable energy systems. It promoting legal entrepreneurship. And the environmental sustainability. It reduces reliance on fossil fuels, minimizing greenhouse gas emissions and promoting a clear environment. So waste finally is a waste management. Biomass and biogas systems help manage organic waste, reducing pollution and creating energy. These are the solutions tailored for rural communities. So the next one is, there is a mainstream renewable energy technologies. So there are so many things. The first one is wind energy, hydropower, solar energy, biomass energy, geothermal energy. So wind energy, let us see one by one. So the first thing is wind energy. Wind powers turbines that is on airflow can be used to run turbines. Turbines range from 600 kilowatt to 5 megawatt. Most common turbines are 1.5 to 3 megawatt. There is a stronger winds or steadier are used. Wind's energy potential is 5 times today's global energy use. The next one is hydropower. It uses flowing water to generate electricity. Hydropower plants vary in size from small to large. It provides a steady and reliable power supply. It is one of the oldest and most established renewable sources. Hydropower can meet a significant portion of global energy needs. The next very important energy is solar energy. It can convert sunlight into electricity using photovoltaic solar panels or concentrated solar power system. Systems vary from small residential rooftop panels to large scale solar farms covering vast areas. Solar power is a clean, renewable source that produces no greenhouse gas emissions during operations. It helps reduce dependence on fossil fuels, lowering carbon emissions and air pollution. Advances in technology and decreasing cost have increased solar energy's potential to meet rising global energy demands. The last one is biomass energy. The plants harness sunlight through photosynthesis, storing solar power within their tissues. When these plants are burned, the stored energy is released as heat. In this way, biomass acts like a natural energy reservoir, capturing and holding solar energy. Beet represents the largest biomass resource and is categorized by the IPCC as a slowly renewable fuel source. The last important thing is geothermal energy. This form of energy is produced and stored beneath the earth's surface. Thermal energy refers to the heat that influences the temperature of materials. The earth's geothermal power stems from its initial information and the ongoing radioactive decay within these minerals. Geothermal energy harnessed from natural hot springs is utilized to generate electricity. So these are the mainstream of renewable energy resources. Next we are going to see about what are the contribution from various energy resources. So you all know that both wind and solar energy have contributed as equal, because the solar power is the very greatest contribution to sustaining our energy development. So here solar energy captures sunlight using photovoltaic panels or solar thermal systems to generate electricity, as we all know. So solar power has been exponential growth, providing nearly 54% of global electricity in 2023, driven by falling cost and widespread adoption. So the next important energy resource is wind. So the wind energy harnesses the power of air currents to generate electricity through turbines. So the total wind power accounts for about 38% of global electricity generation and continues to grow rapidly as one of the cleanest renewable sources with zero emissions during operation. The next one is small hydro. Small hydro refers to hydroelectric power plants with a relatively low capacity, typically under 10 megawatts. So example include the run-off river plants in British Columbia and micro hydro installations in rural Nepal. Small hydro contributes approximately 4% of the world's renewable electricity supply, offering a low impact decentralized energy solution. The last one is biomass and waste energy. These energies get derived from organic materials as a plant matter, agriculture residues and animal waste. Examples include wood pellet power plants in Scandinavia and biogas facilities that process food waste in Germany. In 2023, biomass and waste energy made up of around 10% of global energy consumption, it is used to help to reduce landfill waste and methane emissions through sustainable conversion processes. So next, we should know about India's renewable energy future prospects. So India ranks among the world's top 5 nations in renewable energy capacity. Renewable sources account for 9% of country's total power generation capacity, contributing around 3% of overall electricity supply. The National Action Plan on Climate Change, launched in June 2008, emphasized the development of solar energy. In November 2009, the Government of India endorsed the National Solar Mission, targeting the installation of 20,000 megawatt of solar power by 2022. India holds the 5th spot globally in wind energy production and has numerous hydroelectric projects with capacities up to 25 megawatt. So finally, I hope you all are understand about renewable energy resources for watching this video. By understanding and embracing renewable energy resources, we all, each and every individual, can work together towards to attain a sustainable and secure free energy. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.